honest to God, it really is the prettiest thing I've ever seen. Ice makes things brighter, provides entertainment. It shows an interaction that we don't see as humans. We stop time. We maintain an image in time that we'll never get again. It is one of the most beautiful processes I've ever witnessed. I can preserve and enhance a beautiful flower. I would venture to say I can make a rose look better in ice than it did on the first day it bloomed. One of the most wonderful things about being an ice artist is that I can actually make people stop and look and see something beautiful for a second. If I can make that stop for a second, I've done my job.